Stroll through part of Oregon's history with a walk along the McLoughlin Promenade. A beautiful city park and civic monument, it affords magnificent views of the Willamette River and historic downtown Oregon City. Constructed in 1937 as a Works Progress Administration project, this enchanting promenade features an accessible walkway surrounded by wildflowers, ornamental plantings, and dramatic rocky outcroppings. Other notable WPA projects around Oregon include Timberline Lodge, Silver Falls State Park, and the D. Wright Observatory. The promenade provides explorers with an impressive view of the Willamette River Gorge and the powerful Willamette Falls. A walk to the northern end of the promenade reveals Singer Creek's dramatic series of cascades and pools, and an easy-to-navigate stairway guiding travelers along the cliffs to downtown Oregon City. Today, a visit to Oregon City is not complete without a walk along the historic McLoughlin Promenade. We invite you to come explore Oregon's hometown.